Ever feel like investing is a secret club with a velvet rope you just can't seem to grab? You're not alone. Traditional investing can feel intimidating, with a maze of jargon, high fees, and a nagging sense that you need a six-figure portfolio to even get started. But what if I told you there was a way to invest your money for the future without needing a finance degree or a small fortune? That's where Betterment comes in. Betterment is a robo-advisor platform that uses automated tools and expert financial guidance to create personalized investment plans. Basically, it's like having a tiny investment manager in your pocket, whispering smart money moves in your ear. Intrigued? If you're ready to ditch the confusion and step into the world of investing, then this video is for you. We'll walk you through the entire process of opening a Betterment account, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to put your money to work for you and watch your future self high-five you for taking charge. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Betterment right for you? Well, if you're someone who wants to grow your wealth for the long term, Betterment is built for long-term goals, like retirement or a down payment on a house. Invest consistently, even small, regular deposits can add up over time. Betterment allows for automated contributions, so you can set it and forget it. Minimize fees. Betterment's fees are significantly lower than traditional investment advisors. Then yes, Betterment could be a great fit. However, if you're looking for day trading or actively managing your investments, Betterment might not be the best option. Alright, convinced? Let's get you signed up. Head over to Betterment's website and click the big, friendly button that says Get Started. You'll be greeted by a short questionnaire that will help Betterment understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time frame. Don't worry, these questions are straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Based on your answers, Betterment will recommend a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. These funds pool your money with other investors, giving you exposure to a broad range of stocks and bonds, without the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket. Now comes the fun part, funding your account. Betterment allows you to link your bank account or make transfers directly. You can even set up automatic deposits, so you can pay yourself first and invest consistently towards your goals. Finally, Betterment will ask you some basic verification questions. This is just standard procedure to ensure your identity and keep your account safe. And that's it. You've officially opened a Betterment account and taken the first step towards a brighter financial future. Now, remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich overnight. But with consistent contributions and Betterment smart management, your money will be working hard for you, even while you sleep. Of course, Betterment is just a tool. It's important to do your own research and understand the basics of investing before you dive in. There are plenty of resources available online and through Betterment themselves to help you get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.